Welcome our Director Professor Dr. Kiran Sheth sir, our Vice Principal P.K. Mehta sir, HODs, Deans, all the faculty members. I heartily welcome you on the International Yoga Day. I request our Director Professor Dr. Kiran Sheth sir to have a speech or words with our faculty.
Almost 5 to 6 males are there in the span of 2 to 3 days. Because we are busy, I had not seen. Then I realized that the matter requires to be sensitized among our students also, and even among faculty members also. So I decided that I will be going for presentation, because presentation that I am going to make has to be submitted to AICTE as well as RTU. So it should not look that we are not interested in yoga. Another thing is, this is the initiative taken by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and therefore it becomes our duty also to support his notion, his vision, his statements. So then I decided that I will be going for at least a half an hour in main presentation, and this presentation has been prepared by me based on all the matter available in the internet. So I will make presentations so that my students who are present are sensitized. They know the significance of the yoga, why we are celebrating this 21st June as International Yoga Day. Most of you must be knowing, but I thought it is better for me to create an evidence that in our institute we are also equally interested in International Yoga Day and yoga exercise. Fortunately, Manoj Singh, where is he? Manoj Singh has already, I would say, taken training, and now he is going to impart training to us. It should not be more than 30 to 45 minutes. That's what I feel, because it will not be possible for us to go for more than 30 or 45 minutes, because we are not habituated. Our Prime Minister is habituated, he goes for yoga every day, but most of us are not actually going for yoga. In case we are going, is good. So I'll start with this presentation. The first slide shows that International Yoga Day is very important for India. Why? Because our Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiated this proposition in the General Assembly of United Nations, and a resolution was actually put up before the members, and 177 country members gave approval, and this is the historically highest number of the UN General Assembly in passing the resolution. And the United Nations then declared June 21st as the International Yoga Day on 11th December 2014. So we started celebrating the International Yoga Day from the year 2015. I think that you are aware of it. The International Yoga Day function was started on 21st June 2015. Narendra Modi performing yoga along with over 200 million people and over 37,000 people in Delhi alone. And the second edition was again held in Chandigarh with the participation of 30,000 people in the presence of our Prime Minister. The third edition that you all know today is already started at Lucknow. Our Prime Minister has already started around 6 o'clock the yoga. That's the right time. And after 15 days, there will be Guru Purnima. You all must be knowing this. That is, after 15 days Guru Purnima, that means the Lord Shiva actually started the yoga before 5,000 to 6,000 years. And he is therefore said to be the first June Guru or Adi Guru, Shiva. And this is the pious time which is said to be Dakshinayana. Summer is making transition towards Dakshin. sun passage is from north to south. It just started today itself. So this is the time which gives natural support for pursuing spiritual practices. Many leaders have loaded the notion of our Prime Minister in the year 2014-15. All this Ramdev, I think you all know Sri Ravi Shankar, you all must have met or I don't know. But Ravi Shankar is very, very popular so far as yoga is concerned. Then Ramdev, then Niranand Swami, B.K. Iyengar, many founders and thinkers on yoga actually praised the efforts made by Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi, in the words of Narendra Modi, comma into inverted comma, why he selected this day, that is written. He has written, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his address to UN General Assembly on September 27, 2014, he stated like this, that yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. 5,000, 6,000 years before we were actually involved in yoga. It embodies unity of mind and body. It's very important. Thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. I hope you understand. It is not about exercise, but to discover the science of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. When you close your eyes, I have not regular yoga practitioner, but whenever you close your eyes and start, I only one that is pranayama I know. When you go for breath, deep breath, at that time you really feel that you are with the nature. That means your body and your mind is well synchronized, and then you don't find any difference between your body and the mind. Body and mind both comes under peace, and then you start doing this exercise. That's why it's not an exercise, but you are training. You are training your mind and your consciousness. That's what he says. In suggesting June 21, which is the summer solstice, as the International Day of Yoga, Mr. Narendra Modi said like this: the date is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere and has special significance in many parts of the world. What was the impact? Last year, 36,000 people, including Prime Minister himself, performed 21 yoga asana for 35 minutes at Rajput, New Delhi. I don't know how many asanas we are going to perform today. यार यहाँ पर आप दिखाई नहीं पड़ते, यहाँ पर कितने कर रहे हैं सर? How many asanas are today? 15 asanas. 15 आसन करने हैं हम लोगों को. आज 15 आसन करने हैं. तो तैयार हो जाओ mentally. Okay. This event was established. This event has actually already gone for the Guinness World Record. Largest yoga class 38985, say 36,000 people, and largest number of participating national, that is 84 nations joined. I had decided that I will discuss with you the logo. IDY logo, International Yoga Day logo is very important. Holding of both the hands, can you see, like this? This symbolizes yoga. When you say like this, it is understood that we are talking about yoga. Right? Okay. The union which reflects the union of individual consciousness with that of the universal consciousness. A perfect harmony between mind and body, man and nature, holistic approach to health and well-being. That's what it is. In the symbol you will find that there are brown leaves. This leaves symbolizes the earth element. And the green leaf symbolizes the nature. Blue symbolizes the water element. Brightness symbolizes the fire element, and the sun symbolizes the source of energy and the inspiration. And the logo reflects the harmony and peace for the humanity, which is the essence of yoga. We all are supposed to be human. We are supposed to ensure that we do not hurt others. And this is possible only when you understand yourself by yoga. But the philosophy of yoga is like this. Philosophy of yoga is to keep ourselves fit. Are you all with me? Those who have crossed 60, how many of you have crossed 60? Please raise your hand. So this is, so I am also raising my hand. What I want to tell you is that if you want to be fit, the most important part is yoga. Make at least decided. I have decided, and you all decided at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Not half an hour, but in the beginning you can go for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Regularly if you do it, definitely you will be fit. You will not depend upon your son or children for the health. It is always better that we are healthy, we are fit, right? The philosophy is that the muscle and the joint should have enough exercises. I think you all know what is muscle and what is the joint. Because if there is no movement, probably then the blood circulation will not be there. If there is a blood circulation, you will ensure that the oxygen as well as the nutrients required for the blood is available. If blood circulation is proper, there will not be any disease. You will not face even a problem of blood pressure if you are doing yoga every day. So I believe that we should really understand the yoga and we should learn today, and then we should continue doing the same till we go to the 4th International Yoga Day and we can show what we have done for the entire year. Right? There are so many institutes who are making efforts to develop the record, Greenwich Book record, and most of them are from South. In the newspaper, I think you must have seen. So yoga is a tool of transformation. You can be transformed. What is written is just 5 minutes a day can transform your life. Whether you are seeking health, joy, love, peace, whether it's success in the world or inner exploration, you are striving for. Yoga practice are designed to help us to cut through the struggle and walk through the life with ease. If you are healthy, you can do anything that you want to do. And in news, I would like to tell you why. First, today they started International Yoga Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi have been performing yoga along with 51,000 participants at Lucknow. Because of the rain, in Durga Nursery Road there was no electricity. I could not actually see. But tomorrow we will be in a position because it's going to be again shown. Several dignitaries, politicians, bureaucrats will gather at Lucknow, Ramabhai Ambedkar, then Sabha Sthal. This is the place where they are going to assemble. Where yoga rehearsal has been going on since more than a month. एक महीने से ही चल रहा है. हमारे उदयपुर में भी चल रहा है, लेकिन हम लोग नहीं गए थे. 20 से 21 दिन तो मैं बोला था. NCC वालों ने भी बोला था. To mark the importance of the Indian mission in the Netherlands, then Girinada, then Tobago, that is the island, and the United States among other countries are holding the programs of yoga with the participation from various sections. 70, this is very important. A 72-member student delegation of the city Montessori school in Lucknow, they are going to New York. They must have reached to New York today, and they are going to demonstrate what the yoga is. So from our college also, we can depute someone, if someone is having a better knowledge of yoga, can go for exercise. I would like to do that for the next year. Are you with me? Sir, Manoj sir, please we can do it. कहाँ गया वो अपना? Himanshu Raj sir, this is what I am planning. That this is very important. हमारे पास एक 4-5 मेंबर भी जाते हैं न्यूयॉर्क में. कहीं भी जगह पे नेक्स्ट टाइम जहाँ भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर डिसाइड करें तो हम लोग अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भेज सकते हैं एंड इवन वी कैन स्पॉन्सर दैट along with the students we can sponsor one teacher also. That permission I can definitely get from Kapil sir. I am sure that we can get that because that is what you would like it. Okay. yoga with the lives of citizens, the Ayush Ministry has started 1 month free yoga camp. I think you must be aware. Training program started on May 21. So almost today is June 21. The French Embassy in India also announced that it will hold a yoga and music program on June 21st. So what is our program? Our program is like this. 9:15, so it can be read as 10:15. Indian time. You know that, na? Indian time is always like this. One foreigner was coming to Ahmedabad from Bombay. The train was supposed to start at 8 o'clock evening, and it exactly started at 8 o'clock. Then the foreigner said, "Oh, Indians are very punctual." Sardarji was sitting there, he said, "Oh, you don't know, this is the train, this was supposed to start yesterday, 8 o'clock. So it is, the Indians are normally found to be late, so it's okay. You can continue time, but we are going to assemble at MP Theatre. All the faculty members shall undertake yoga practice. This was actually given maybe for, everyone. I will also take part. All my colleagues, including the great Dr. P.K. Mehta sir, also will be with me. And the clothes that you will like to wear should be such that they allow you to undertake yoga practice. If you have whatever dress you are comfortable, you can do, there is no problem. Okay. And this you can see. Then there will be yoga practice and the competition. Now, if there are 20 students, okay, 20 students, but the competition will be there, and out of 20 you will decide who is the best. So yoga practice, we already decided the teachers. There are 3 teachers who are there: P.K. Mehta sir, Dr. Bhapna sir, and Hemant Sahu sir. Hemant Sahu sir है कि नहीं यहाँ पे? Competition on yoga. ऐसे राइटिंग हुआ है, योगा के ऊपर ही है. एंड देन कौन है? हेमंत, उसमें भी हेमंत साहब, डॉक्टर B.R. रघुवीर सर, डॉक्टर B.R. रघुवीर सर, फिर विष्णु. 5 मिनट में देख रहे हैं.
अंतरराष्ट्रीय
इतना बोले
दिवस पर
इनको बोले
विश्व भर के योग प्रेमियों को अनेक अनेक शुभकामनाएं. इस शताब्दी में हम अनुभव कर रहे हैं, योग ने पूरे विश्व को जोड़ दिया है. जैसे योग शरीर, मन, बुद्धि, आत्मा को जोड़ता है, वैसे आज योग विश्व को भी जोड़ रहा है.
स्टॉप. अब हेड टू टो थोड़ा बॉडी, देन साइड टू साइड, साइड टू साइड, देन चेंज शोल्डर टच, neck half rotation forward, neck 3 4
आपका तो लेगा.
फ्रंट रोटेशन क्लॉकवाइज. कमर को स्ट्रेच करेंगे टेन सर्कल में, ये पोजीशन है. आराम से जर्क नहीं आने चाहिए कमर में. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, स्टॉप. ओपन 100 आसन में लेट जाएंगे, बॉडी को रिलैक्सेशन पोजीशन में करेंगे. ठीक है, देखो 100 आसन कैसे होता है. ये क्वेश्चन होगा।
कमर के बीच में भी गैप होंगे, एकदम रिलैक्स पोजीशन, आंखें बंद होंगे, आंखें बंद करके फ्री माइंड, किसी प्रकार का टेंशन नहीं। दोनों पैरों में गैप होना चाहिए 60 डिग्री, बातें नहीं। श्वास प्रश्वास की गति धीमी होनी चाहिए, एकदम रिलैक्स, किसी प्रकार का टेंशन नहीं। अपने ध्यान को पैरों के उंगलियों के पास ले जाए, ध्यान को लेना है, ध्यान कंसंट्रेट उंगलियों पे करो, पूरे लेकर उसके बाद घुटने के पास आंखें बंद होनी चाहिए, सारे टेंशन को भूल करके एकदम शांत मुद्रा में। अब हम ध्यान दीजिएगा कमांड पे, बायां करवट लेके और आराम से बायां करवट लेकर अपनी जगह बाएं करवट या लेफ्ट उठ के बैठ जाएंगे। अगला अब हम आसन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मंत्र का उच्चारण करते हैं। तो पद्मासन या सुखासन, पद्मासन देखिए कैसे लगता है।
ऐसे पैर सामने सामने फैला लीजिए और थोड़ा सा एंगल को स्ट्रेच कर लीजिए, फ्रंट एंड बैक। राइट पैर को लेफ्ट पैर पे, अगर जिसका नहीं होता है जबरदस्ती मत करिएगा, सुखासन में भी बैठ सकते हैं।
सुखासन में बैठे हुए हैं।
बातें नहीं, ऐसा हो कि हम योग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। पद्मासन
11 10 12 एक क्रिया राइट पैर से करेंगे, 1 आराम से, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 स्टार्ट। 14 मुद्रा में 1 2 3 लेफ्ट पर पीछे 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 10 12 राइट पैर से करेंगे इस बार।
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. अपनी जगह बैठ जा।
कोई अपने ध्यान को रोज के पास ले जाए, आपके पास सांस प्रश्वास की गति होनी चाहिए। अपने ध्यान को हेड के पास ले जाए, सिर के मूवमेंट को महसूस करें। सांस जल्दी
आराम से
ऐसा कीजिए कीजिए हो जाएगा। So this was
फिनिशिंग आसन को आसन को एक बार और करेंगे। ठीक है,
अपनी जगह लेट जाए।
बाइकिंग भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बाइकिंग से भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
मार कौन दे रहा है एक्सरसाइज? कितने? अरे स्टूडेंट में याद देता है टीचर घर पे देखा ना हुआ है आपको आत्मा और क्या कहते हो नेचर के था सही बात यही है ना। कितने स्टूडेंट है और
दोनों पैरों के पास
ये है उससे अलग अलग कराओगे
बहुत से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 वापस आराम से धीरे
वापस आ गए।
वापस ध्यान अंगूठे पे ले पैर के अंगूठे पे अपने ध्यान महसूस करिए पैर के अंगूठे को।
Yes, position. मैडम उठो, कैमरा चल रहा है। Yes, yes, yes. हाँ, yeah. बस, good, good, good.
अरे किस चीज का
ओ ये
पार्टी
फिर चेस्ट के पास काउंट है चेस्ट को ऊपर उठाया कर देते
उठाए ना फोटो मेरा भी कॉलेज में आ रहा है कल यही नहीं आया जहाँ सा भी लगे हुए क्या आ गया
देख लीजिए सांस लेंगे ये सांस लेंगे वेरी गुड सबकी ओर से मैं आपको बधाई देता हूँ और आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू यू आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू माय हिमांशु राज थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग ऑल दिस थिंग thank you very much I hope you all must be very happy those who are participating today I think it was a unique experience we really enjoyed thank you very much दिनेश यादव है अच्छा और ये आपने कहा है यस सर वेरी गुड थैंक यू सर